Hello children, welcome to the English class. Today we will learn new poem, The Cow. First we will learn about the rhyming words. Children, in previous class we have already learned about the rhyming words. Rhyming words are words which end at the same sound. Rhyming words are words which end at the same sound. Let's see some examples. White. See children, here the word end with the t sound and next word is might. This word also end with the t sound. These both words are called rhyming words. Let's see some more examples.
There, air, pass, grass, heart, tart, stray, day, showers, flowers.
Yes children, these words are rhyming words. Rhyming words are words which end at the same sound. Next, move to the warm-up questions. The first question is, have you seen cows roaming around? Where? Yes, we all seen the cow. Then where? Yes, in the field or cow shed. And the second warm-up question is, what were the cows doing? Were they of different colors? Yes children, the cows gives us milk. We have seen different colors of cows. Some cows are the black color and some are white and some are mixed colors, white and black or white and brown. Yes children, here are the some new words. Let us learn the meanings of new words. Might. Might means strength or energy. Apple tart. It means a sweet dish made of apples.
Or an open pie with a sweet filling made of apples. Next one is wanders. Wanders means goes from one place to another without any reason. Lowing. It means the deep moving sound that a cow makes.
Stray means to move away from the place where one should be. Pleasant. Something that makes one feel happy. Showers. Rainfall. Meadow. Flat land that is covered with tall grass. These are new words with their meanings. Children, now let us read a poem about a friendly cow and how she spends her day. Here she means a cow. Let us read. The friendly cow, all red and white, I love with all my heart. She gives me cream with all her might to eat with apple tart. Children, here comes the explanation of the poem. In this poem, the poet is talking about a cow. He is saying that cows are very friendly animal. It can be of any color. What are the colors may be? He loves cows very much. As we all know, cows gives us milk. We can make so many products with that milk. Listen to children. So, when the cows gives us cream with all her might, with all her might means with all her energy. He loved to eat it with apple tart. It means a sweet dish made of apples. See the second para. She wanders slowing here and there, and yet she cannot stray. All in the pleasant open air, the pleasant light of day. In these lines, a poet says the cow used to make sound and walk here and there, but she cannot stray. Those who are having cow at home may know there is limited time for cow to go outside and come back. After grazing, what we do? We used to keep them under their shed or shelter. They cannot move freely whenever they want. That's why the poet says that she cannot stray. All in the pleasant open air, the pleasant light of day. And blown by all the winds that pass, and wet with all the showers. She walks among the meadow grass and eats the meadow flowers. Children, this is the final part of poem. These lines explains whenever the wind passes by, when the rain comes,
The cow get wet with all the showers. They cannot protect by themselves, but she loves walk among the grassy land and love to eat.
the meadow flowers. So, whatever the situation may be, she loves to grass happily in the field. Let's see a short summary of a poem. The poem The Cow is penned by Robert Louis Stevenson. It shows the relationship between a cow and human. The poet highlights the qualities of cow and considers the cow as a friendly animal. So, my dear children, hope you like the poem and you try to read the poem correct stress and intonation, and also try to observe the animals around you. See you all in the next video, children. Thank you.